Good morning, student. I am Ovi Kamble, the Assistant Professor of Electronics from Computer Science Department. Welcome to our e-learning platform. In a previous video, we discussed the IoT architecture, and in this video, we discuss the cloud computing of IoT architecture. Cloud computing is the on-demand availability of computer system resources, especially data storage, known as cloud storage also, and computing power without direct active management by the user. As a cloud computing has its own demand processing and storage capability can be used to analyze data generated by IoT object in batch or stream format. Cloud computing also allows data transfer and storage through the internet or with the direct link that enables uninterrupted data transfer between devices, application and cloud. Cloud computing provides us a means by which we can access the application as utilized over the internet. It allows us to create, configure and customize application online. With the cloud computing, users can access database resources via the internet from anywhere for as long as they need without worrying about any maintenance or management of actual resources. First, we have to know what is cloud. The term cloud refers to the network or a internet. In other words, we can say that cloud is something which is present at remote location. Cloud can provide services over a network, that is on public network or on private network, that is WAN, LAN and web. Applications such as email, web browsing, customer relationship management all run in clouds. Next, what is cloud computing? Cloud computing refers to a manipulating, configuring and accessing the application online. It offers online data storage, infrastructure and application. Cloud computing is both a combination of software and hardware based computing resources delivered as network services. This is the diagram of cloud computing architecture. In this diagram, we can see that the application, storage, infrastructure and all users connected with each other with internet. The cloud computing is an application-based software infrastructure that stores data on remote services which can be accessed through the internet only. To understand how cloud computing works, it can be divided into front end and back end. The front end enables a user to access data storage in a cloud using to internet browser or cloud computing software. However, the primary component of cloud computing responsible for securely storing data and information is a backend. It comprises services, computers, database and central services. The central services facilities operation by following a set of rules known as protocol. That means the cloud computing works on some protocols. It uses a software middleware to ensure the connectivity between devices or a computer linked via cloud computing. Cloud computing services provider usually maintain multiple copies of data to security thread, data loss or data branch, etc. This is the cloud computing architecture. Now we can see the diagram of cloud computing network topology. The resolution of this diagram is so we cannot see this diagram clearly, but in our textbook we can see same diagram on page 3.9. Please refer that diagram. This diagram shows the user which is connected to the cloud services through an internet provider as well as cloud provider. Here these both are users. This is the internet provider, this is the cloud provider, and these both are cloud services. The figure shows the cloud provider is intermediate media for accessing cloud computing from remote services center, that is cloud center. The role of cloud provider is desktop as a service which provides virtual desktop for the user. With internet connectivity, the cloud computing facilities are made available to the end user through the cloud provider. In actual application of using cloud computing, LAN network is installed by using the suitable star network, mesh network, and ring network or common bus topologies, and may be fully connected network topology. That means to design a cloud computing network, we use LAN network, which is of type star, mesh, ring, or common bus. The use of proper topology depends on application where the uses of data processing is done. The most common use of cloud computing are infrastructure as a services and platform as a services. The basic concept of cloud computing. There are certain services and modules working behind the scenes, making the cloud computing feasible and accessible to the end user. Following are the working model for cloud computing. First, deployment model, and then second one is service model. Let's discuss first model, that is deployment model. The deployment model defines the type of access to the cloud, that is how the cloud is located. Cloud can have many of the four types of access, that is public, private, hybrid, and community. These are the four types: public cloud, private cloud, hybrid cloud, and community cloud. The public cloud is a service run by the external vendor that many cloud services is one or multiple data services. Let's discuss all these four clouds one by one. The public cloud. The public cloud allows system and services to be easily accessible to general public. Public cloud may be less secure because of its openness, that is email. Example is given. Public cloud. A public cloud is a service run by an external vendor that may include services in one or multiple data services. Next is second cloud is private cloud. The private cloud allows system and services to be accessible within an organization. It offers increased security because of its private nature. A private cloud is a service, data center, or distribute network wholly dedicated to one organization only. Okay. Next, community cloud. Community cloud allow systems and services to be accessible by group of organizations. The community cloud is a type of cloud deployment that involve using multiple public clouds. Next, hybrid cloud. The hybrid cloud is a mixture of public and private cloud. However, the critical activities are performed using private cloud while non-critical activities are performed using a public cloud. Hybrid cloud deployment combine of public and private cloud and may even include on-premises services. These four are the cloud. Next model is service model. Service models are the reference model on which the cloud computing is based. This can be categorized into three basic services model as listed below. Infrastructure as services, that is IaaS. Platform as a services, that is PaaS. And next, third one is software as a services, that is SaaS. Let's discuss all these one by one. First, infrastructure as a services. Infrastructure as a services which done infrastructure hosting for user. This is the main function of infrastructure services. Infrastructure services, infrastructure as a services is the delivery of technology infrastructure as an on-demand scalable services. It provides access to a fundamental resources such as physical machines, virtual machine, virtual storage, etc. Usually built based on uses. It usually built based on the uses. Usually multi-tenant virtual environment can be coupled with managed services for operating system and application support. These are the example of infrastructure as a service. Next type is platform as a services. Platform as a services provides the runtime environment for the application development and deployment tool, etc. It provides all of the facilities required to support the complete life cycle of building and delivering web application and service entirely from the internet. Typically, application must be developed with a particular platform in mind. It uses multi-tenant environment and highly scalable multi-layer architecture. These are the example of platform as a services. Next, software as a services. The software as a services which provide software application to the end user. The software as a services module allow to use software application as a service to the end user. It is a software delivery methodologies that provide the licensed multi-tenant access to a software, and it functions remotely as a web-based services. It usually built based on uses. It usually multi-tenant environment. It has highly scalable architecture. These are the examples of software as a services. Next, advantages of cloud computing. First, lower computer cost, improve performance, it reduce software cost, instant software update, improve document format capabilities, unlimited storage capacity, it increase data reliability, it universal demand access, latest version availability, easier group calibration, and device independence. These are the advantages of cloud computing. Next, disadvantages of cloud computing. It required a constant internet connection. That means in a cloud computing, to send the information we required internet overall. Does not work well with low speed connection. Features might be limited. The cloud computing features may be limited. It can be slow. The storage data can be lost. That means in a cloud computing, the stored data can be lost. The storage data might not be secure. That means the data can be lost, so it cannot be secure. These all are the disadvantages of cloud computing. Thank you. Thank you for watching my video. Keep watching my video.